Tips for juicing berries. Berries are known to be high in antioxidants and rich in vitamin C and manganese. They reduce inflammation and are good for brain, heart, and skin health. Despite their abundant benefits, they're unlike your typical juice ingredients. They're soft, small, and pulpy, so there are a few points to consider when juicing them. 1. Very thick. First, you can expect that berries will create a very thick juice. Since they're packed with fiber and only a little water, the result is a thick texture. You can also add some coconut water to your berry juice for a lighter consistency, or juice berries with water-rich ingredients like apples. Firmer, larger fruits help push soft berries through the juicer, reducing clogging and even yielding a thinner consistency. 2. A tight squeeze. Your juice yield is expected to be lower because berries are small and have a lower water content. The best way to boost juice yield is by juicing berries fresh from the store. Avoid letting them get too ripe as they are pulpier. Look for these signs of ripeness in berries. Strawberries with fresh green leaves and a deep red flesh color all around. Blackberries with a deep black color and full sacs that look like they're about to burst. Raspberries with a rich red color and plump and soft sacs. Aside from looking for deep blue blueberries, you can put them in a bowl of water and see if they sink to the bottom of the bowl. If they sink, that means they're ripe and sweet. If they float, they're more sour. The best berry to juice for yield is strawberries, as they are the berries with the highest water content. Plus, they are larger and firmer, making them easier to juice. 3. Pectin pulp. Another result you may not expect is the wetness of the pulp. Berries contain pectin, a thick gel-like soluble fiber that holds onto the water in the berries. Pectin makes it hard to separate the juice from the insoluble fiber, so if you see wet pulp, it's normal. To get drier pulp and a higher juice yield, you can run the pulp through the juicer. Because the juicer is processing mainly fiber and pectin, the yield is thicker and frothier, but you can easily mix it into the original juice yield. With any leftover berry pulp, you can use it for recipes like a yogurt parfait. Since it retains some liquid, it still has some berry taste. Now that you know what to expect when juicing berries, you'll feel very good about juicing them.